Well, good morning, boys and girls. Welcome again to Circle Time Kids Club. My name is Mr. Porter, and I am so glad that you are joining with me today to do some more educational learning. Can you help me sing the Circle Time Kids song? Great! I'm so glad to see you again, see you again, see you again. I'm so glad to see you again. Welcome to Circle Time. I'm so glad you're learning today, learning today, learning today. I'm so glad you're learning today. Welcome to Circle Time. All right, you sound great. Hey, listen, I have a special surprise for you today. Some more surprises. But first off, let's say good morning to Pete the cat. Say hello, Pete. All right, Pete, they're talking to you. All right, Pete said, meow, meow. Hello, good morning to you as well. Pete, it will be courteous for you to say hello back to the students out there. Can you say hello, students? Meow, 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 hello. Oh, Pete said hello back to you. Did you hear Pete? Pete also has some friends. We have some extra friends in the class, and they are Marcus and Lexi. Can you say hello to Marcus and Lexi, boys and girls? All right, Marcus, Lexi, what do you say? To be courteous when someone speaks to you. Bloop, 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 hello. Oh, did you hear what they said? In imaginary land, imagination land, they said hello back at you as well. I tell you, we have some exciting learning today. And first off, we're going to start with a nursery rhyme. This week's nursery rhyme is Hey, Diddle, Diddle. All right, let's get my pointer. Can you repeat this nursery rhyme and the words that I speak out of my mouth? Hey, diddle, diddle. Can you say, hey, diddle, diddle? Great! You sound awesome. All right, let's begin. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Let's say that again. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Hey, where is the cat with the fiddle, boys and girls? Do you see the cat that has a fiddle? You do? Where is it? Is this the cat? No, that is not the cat. Can you help me identify where the cat is? You can? All right, where is the cat? Oh, is this the cat? No, this is not the cat. Where is that cat? Pete. Oh, Pete is the cat. But Pete isn't in Hey Diddle Diddle. But Pete is a cat. Let's ask Pete to see if he can help us locate where that cat is on the Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat in the fiddle board. All right, Pete, let's have a discussion. Where's the cat, Pete? You a cat? You know how to identify cats. Where's that cat on the Hey Diddle Diddle board? Oh, they were really? Ah. Pete has given us some insight, boys and girls. Where is that cat? Is this the cat? No, that is not the cat. Well, let's go back to what Pete said. Pete identified where the cat is located, and Pete the cat said, the cat is located. Is this the cat? That is correct, boys and girls. Good job, Pete. Good job, Marcus. Good job, Lexi. And good job to you. You have identified the cat with the fiddle. This is the cat, and he has the fiddle. Can you imagine as if you are playing the fiddle, like the cat? That is the sound effect of the fiddle. Ooh, look at that cat. Looks like that cat is having a good time playing that fiddle, isn't he? Very good, boys and girls. Well, let's get started with today's lesson regarding what you are also going to be learning today. Today, you're going to learn how to pronounce or say the letter L. The letter L is the letter of the day. But first, can you help me see the ABCs? You can? Great. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you say them with me? Wonderful. You sound so great and so outstanding. Let's say the ABCs again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Outstanding. You sure do know how to sing. Well, in those alphabet that we sing just now, or that we sung just now, there was a letter in it that is called the letter L. Can you say L? L. L. Great! That is the letter L. You said the letter L. Now I am going to show you how to write the letter L. Let's get my board here. In order to write the letter L, you first need to draw a line. This is a capital L. L. Capital L. Can you say capital L? Correct. Capital L. Or in other words, this is the Papa L. That means the big L, the daddy L. Now I'm going to show you how to write another capital L. Line down, line over. L. Let's write another L. Papa L. Down and over. L. From here, I'm going to show you how to write a lowercase l. A baby L. Line down. You start from the top, you draw the line down to the bottom. You start an L again, the baby L, down. From the top, another L, create a dot, and then from that dot, you draw downward. This is a baby L. Can you say lowercase l? Lowercase l. Lowercase l or baby L. Great, boys and girls. Today you've learned how to write the letter L. I am so proud of you. Give yourself a hand, a pat on the shoulder, thumbs up, and say good job. Outstanding. You are smart. Next, I'm going to show you how to write. Well, not write, but it is involving the letters of the alphabet. But today I have a word board picture for you when it concerns finding and spelling words. Today, you're going to learn how to spell sun. Can you say sun, boys and girls? Take a look at that sun. Look at the sun. Can you say sun? Great. Let's find the puzzle pieces to how to spell sun. The first puzzle piece or alphabet letter is the letter S. Can you say S? Great. Well, let's find the next puzzle piece, boys and girls. The next letter to spelling sun is the letter U. This is the letter U. So we put the letter in there. U. Can you say U? U. U. Great. And lastly, the letter N. This is the letter N that spells sun. Sun. Can you say sun? Sun. Sun. Great. This is how to spell sun. S. Oh, there's a letter. U. N. Sun. Where did the U go? There you are.